Have you ever stared up at the night sky, a vast canvas of glittering chaos, and felt a profound sense of wonder mixed with a touch of existential dread? How do we, as fleeting sparks of consciousness, find any semblance of meaning in a universe that appears so random and indifferent? This single question has haunted philosophers, scientists, and every thinking person who has ever lived. It's the ultimate human enigma. How do we assign meaning to the meaningless? The search for meaning is a deeply personal journey. What do you find profoundly significant? A particular piece of music, the smile of a loved one, a challenging career? Path that might seem entirely trivial. To someone else, your meaning is built from your unique experiences, beliefs, and emotions. It is a subjective tapestry woven from the threads of your individual life. This subjectivity is both beautiful and maddening. It gives us our unique identities, yet it can also make us feel isolated, as if our personal cosmos is a language no one else can fully understand. We build these intricate castles of significance in our minds, but what are their foundations? Are they built on shifting sand or solid rock? This is where the puzzle deepens, leading us from philosophy into the bizarre and fascinating world of quantum mechanics. You look at your life, at the choices you've made and the path you're on, and you see a clear, linear story. You assign meaning to the cause and effect that brought you to this very moment. But what if that clarity is just an illusion? Quantum physics teases a more complex reality, suggesting that the universe might not be as objective and determined as it seems. It whispers that our very act of observation might play a role in shaping reality itself. This isn't just a thought experiment. It's a possibility rooted in some of the most perplexing scientific paradoxes we've ever encountered. Consider the famous dilemma of Schrödinger's cat. Before you open the box, the cat is in a superposition, both alive and dead at the same time. It's only your act of observation that forces reality to choose a state. This idea challenges our fundamental understanding of objective reality. Then there's the decoherence paradox, which tries to explain how our stable, classical world emerges from this fuzzy quantum foundation. Essentially, a quantum system loses its weirdness when it interacts with its environment, becoming decohered. But who is the ultimate observer causing this collapse? The questions don't stop there. The quantum Zeno effect adds another layer of strangeness. It demonstrates that by repeatedly observing an unstable particle, you can prevent it from decaying. Your very attention seems to hold reality in place, freezing a moment in time. So, how can you navigate this cosmic uncertainty and find your own stable meaning? The answer lies not in finding a single, objective truth, but in embracing your role as a co-creator of your reality. You can start by practicing conscious observation in your own life. Instead of passively letting life happen to you, actively engage with your experiences. When you face a decision, don't just weigh the pros and cons. Observe the feelings and possibilities that arise. Think of yourself as the observer of your own Schrödinger's box. Before you make a choice, multiple potential futures exist in a superposition. Your conscious decision is the active observation that collapses that wave of potential into a single, experienced reality. By recognizing this power, you move from being a victim of circumstance to an active participant in the creation of your life's story. This isn't about magical thinking. It's about acknowledging the profound link between consciousness and reality that quantum physics hints at. The ultimate takeaway is that meaning isn't something you find. It's something you create. The universe may be a chaotic sea of quantum probabilities, but your consciousness is the vessel that navigates it. You are the observer who collapses waves of potential into the concrete experiences that form your life. The significance of your existence isn't written in the stars. It's written in the choices you make, the attention you pay, and the narrative you consciously build, moment by moment. If this exploration of consciousness and reality sparked your curiosity, don't let it fade. Share this video with someone who loves to ponder the big questions, and subscribe for more journeys into the intersection of science and the human experience. What you focus on becomes your reality.